Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In today's video, we will discuss about what is open book test. As soon as we guys hear about open book test, we have a mixed type of reaction. That will open book test be easy? Will it be easier to cheat or it will be more difficult to cheat now? Like basically what is open book test, how will they conduct open book test, will we guys be able to cheat and all? To answer all these questions in your mind, so here is my video which will answer all your questions. So let's start with what is open book test basically. Before I start explaining, one humble request to all of you that please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like the content. So now let's start. So open book examination means we students will be allowed to refer either to our class notes or have an internet access, right? That is very clear. But this is not as easy as it looks. So basically guys, we will be given a limited time frame even in which we have to complete the exam, and the variation of question is not going to be easy as well. Now let's answer some questions which generally every student has in its mind. Very first, are open book exams really hard? See guys, it is not at all hard, but yeah, you can say it is a lot of time consuming, because when we are given a particular question, it is very difficult for you guys to find the particular answer to it. And if you belong to Amity, the Amity people will have a level of question for you guys. So you need to be prepared with all the material, because you don't have time on that spot to search for answers and know whether this answer is correct or not. Now the next question is, now are the open books exams so easy? Then make it clear in your guys that they are not at all easy. You guys need to put extra efforts to solve those questions, because they will be high order questions. They will be from your syllabus, but a high order question which is not easy to find, which is not easy to answer, and that too in a fixed span of time. So guys, keep your notes, keep your materials, do keep your concepts clear, because you guys won't be able to cheat also, as the university may give different set of questions for each student. Now the basic question is, now how to crack these open book exams? What is the strategy you all need? So let's see. Knowledge, that is you should have the understanding of the course. The system, that is the notes are organized and you know from where to find the content. The structure, that is within what time period you are supposed to commit and submit your exam. And guys, you have to maintain a good speed of typing as well, and make sure you write your answer in your own words, because there's a software called as Plag software which can detect it. And the most important thing during this open book exams is your time. How much time you take to attempt one question, to type it. The questions will be direct, but do read the questions properly so that you get a better understanding basically what are they asking for. And for multiple choice questions, do check all their choices and then make a perfect choice. Also, if you guys are sure about the answer, then do not look for answers, just straight away write your answer. But in some questions you might get confused, then do refer your notes and your any reference material and then write your answer quickly. Now there are some misconceptions about open book exams as well in our minds, so let us clear that all. That open book exams are a breeze. No, they're not as easy as we are thinking. Those people are going to set some level of questions for you guys to trick you away. It can be in any numerical form, or even a question which is so simple at looking, but that question may carry more weightage of marks, so you guys need to be prepared. Now the next misconception we have is that we do not have to study. Sorry guys, this won't work. You guys have to study. You should know where that topic belongs to, under which category that particular topic is, so you need to be prepared for it. Because if you don't open your books 2 days before, you guys won't know where that topic is, what information you're supposed to write, and you will like write anything which you find on the net. So it's not that easy. Now next misconception is you can just copy and then paste it. Guys, you cannot copy and paste it. This is plagiarism, and the Amity people are pro in this. They are going to put your answers in Plag software and get it checked. So guys, be aware. Copy the answer in your mind and then frame the answer in your own words and try to write it. Don't write too lengthy answers. In open book exams, they don't expect very long answers, right? Just the important points with like bold letters, and make your answer in points. Now, one more misconception we have is that we will use just the internet and find our answers. No, for biotechnology students, this is not the alternate. You guys are supposed to have your notes, your books with you, because the more the material you have, the more convenient it will be for you guys to look for answers. So here is just a small tip for you guys. Whichever chapter is coming from the book, just put a bookmark on it, so it is easy for you guys to just turn the page and then look for the answer. Now some more tips from my side for you guys. Use your time in the exam wisely. Leave the questions which you feel are very hard. Attempt the easy questions first. And guys, this is the online exam, so do not over answer. These are not your answer sheets जिसमें बोलेंगे पन्ने भरो. We are not supposed to fill the pages here. We are just supposed to write the correct answer here. And plus, we are not here to impress any teacher, right? So do not write long, lengthy answers or use many quotations. By this time, almost all questions would have been clear. But just to sum it up all, here are the pros and cons which are compared together, which will show you what are the advantages and disadvantages as well for online exams. So guys, just go through these pros and cons. It will help you clear all your questions more clearly. And guys, do not get nervous or panic because of these open book exams. Just read your syllabus properly, go through the course material, your reference material once, so that you're clear where to find the particular answer. Do not call up your friends on the same time and waste your time. Better you on your own search for your answer. And guys, there will be less number of students in one class, so there is no option for cheating. And from my experience, I'm a teacher. I give different set of questions to students so that they do not copy, so be prepared for that even. Now plagiarism is the main thing, guys. Again, I'm repeating, do not copy the answer and paste it directly. Some of your answers might be put into Plag software, and if there is Plag, then guys, there's a chance that the teacher won't give you any marks. So better do not copy and paste here. I tried covering up all the important points, the advantages and disadvantages as well. Still, if you guys have any question in your mind, just put up a comment and share it with me. And guys, if this video is useful for you, then please hit the like, share and subscribe button. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you guys do not miss any updates. All the best, and hope you all do well in your open book examinations.